So here's my setup. Got this piece of wood, a bolt going through it, which sticks into the end cap on this end. And at the other end, there's a bolt attached to the end cap, sticking into this piece of wood. And then I found that the thing that worked best for a belt was just a couple layers of masking tape. And down here I got my belt guide to keep it from sliding off the cap. A round piece of wood that I jammed a drill bit into. Drill bit goes through that piece of wood there. Drill's tied down. I got my automatic go strip. Yeah, worked out pretty well.